Hey everyone, this is Lucia. I'd like to tell you about Acer's new Swift 7. This is a great looking laptop. I really like its refined and chic design. But that's not all. Let's take a look at some of its features in more detail. This thin, light laptop is perfect for travel. Let me just hold it up and you can see how thin it is. Only 9.95 millimeters. That's about the same as most phones, and just as easy to slide into your bag. Also, you won't feel any extra weight on your shoulder because it's under 1 kilo. That's really light. Not as much more than a water bottle. You can carry it in one hand. However, that doesn't mean you have to be super careful. The magnesium alloy body keeps the weight down without making it too fragile. What makes this laptop even more portable is the battery life. 10 hours, getting through the whole day without having to stop and charge. I can also leave my charger at home. If you watch a lot of movies when you travel, you will love the extra screen space. It has a 14-inch screen in the body, not much bigger than most 12-inch laptops. The screen-to-body ratio is as high as 92%. That's all down to the 4-sided narrow bezel design. All the bezels are super narrow. Not just the side ones, but the top and bottom ones as well. Okay. Let's do a quick tour on the other stuff. There are some thoughtful design considerations. You can turn on the computer and log in at the same time because the fingerprint reader is integrated with the power button. If you are concerned about the privacy, check out this little ball hidden webcam. Just pop it up, then press it down again. Moreover, the Swift 7 is super quick. It has an 8th-gen Intel processor, 16GB of RAM, and more. Like I said earlier, you've got all you need in this slim laptop. So let's sum up. The Swift 7 is a great looking laptop that's a pleasure to work on and carry around. This beautiful device also has a few nice matching accessories. There is a protective sleeve and also a practical 3-in-1 dongle. So, what do you think? Leave your comments below, tell us your favorite Swift 7 feature, and share this video around. Thanks for watching. See you later!